Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm a UK Stampin' Up demonstrator, and what I'm going to show you today is a theme that I've been going through on DIY wrapping paper, and that was on my previous video, and I thought if we can do that with wrapping paper we could do this with paper bags. So I'm just going to show you some examples that I've done. And this particular one, it's just a white paper bag, like a takeaway bag. I've stuck some ribbon on the handles and just stamped all over the bag. I've done a little tag as well to go with it. And then this is the one using the brown paper bag. This time I've done holes to put the ribbons through, but I've done exactly the same where I've stamped front and back and done a little tag. So I'm going to show you how to do this. The stamp set I'm going to be using today is called Elfie. Now this particular stamp set has been designed by a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and you get the opportunity to do this when you sell 1 million CSV sales, personal sales. And this particular stamp set is really cute. We've got various elves, and we've got a holiday hello just for you. May your Christmas be merry and full of delight, with a new year that's happy and healthy and bright. And then we've got a Santa's workshop there. So it's a really cute stamp set, and this is one I'm going to be using. Right, let's start. So this is just a white paper bag. It's not completely white, it's sort of like an off-white. Just move that out of the way. Now what I've done on my previous one is I've just folded these handles in. What you can do is put the ribbon on the handles fully, but I'm just going to fold these in. I'll probably cut them off at a later date, I haven't decided yet. Right, and the stamp set, the stamp I'm going to be using is the stocking one, which is that one. And when I'm not using my stamps, this is how I'm storing them, or when I'm working with them. Right, so I am going to use the Golden Glitz ink for this. So all I'm going to do is ink this up and then stamp. As you can see, I'm stamping off just to give it less uniformed appearance. Oops. Oops. It's a very sticky ink pad, and if you're not careful you end up losing it like I did just then. Never mind. So that's that side. I'm going to turn it over, and then we're going to do this side. I'm just going to do is pull that handle out so it's not making too much bulk. Make sure it lays flat. Again. Just stamping off on the edge, just so it doesn't look machine made. there we go. So how easy is that? Now this gold takes a little short time to dry, but you can see it looks really good on the, hopefully you'll be able to see the shine on there. The gold works really well with light colours, so this is just a perfect. Right, well while that's drying I am going to do my tag, and find my piece of card for the tag. So I'm going to use my tag punch. This is the one that does various sizes in tags, so depending on what you would like, and it's got a really nice pretty top, as you can see. Right, so I'm going to use a different stamp now for the tag, and I think I'm going to use the No Peeking. Peel the backing off, stick it on there. I think I'm going to do the No Peeking in Shaded Spruce. There we go. I'm just going to turn that round. Now I'm just going to cut that. There will do. And then I'm going to use a parcel from the stamp set. I'm just going to stamp along the bottom of the tag. That's it. And that tag looks really sweet, with the little stamps at the bottom and the little parcels. Now let's go back to the bag itself. And fold those in again. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some double-sided tape on the handles, or the existing handles. Now this double-sided tape is a strong tape, and it'll be perfect for the ribbon. Where did I put my ribbon? It was hiding, which is pretty much how things happen on my desk. They do hide. Right, I'm just going to use my pokey tool to get the backing off. And then all I'm going to do is place the ribbon. We'll cut off that little bit on there, and see to measure. Roughly, don't 9 inches do. Let's see. Can't decide how long I want them, so I'm just going to eyeball this. It should be about right. And then I need my ribbon scissors. And then we'll do the same on the other side. So I'm going to put the to put the tape down. I didn't realise I hadn't got my light on, so I apologise for the lighting at the beginning of the video. And again, I'll use my tool to get the backs off. And then we'll put the ribbon on again. And that is that done. I'll just need to snip that off at the end to make that look better. And there we go. So all I need to do now is attach my tag. So I'll just use another piece of ribbon. You might be able to see that I've got nice gold fingers at the moment. That's because I didn't wait for the ink to dry when I was first doing these, so I've now got nice gold on my fingers, which is just great. Never mind. Now I think what you can do with this tag is just stick it on the bag. Just write on it and then pop it on the bag, and that will be I'm just going to use some tear and tape. Show you the effect. Again, using my poker tool. Get the backing off. There we go. Some stuff there. And there you go, such an easy idea for DIY bags. Now I know there's other bags you can get that have got wrapped paper that's much stiffer, so you could actually wrap the ribbon around those particular handles instead, if you just wanted to do something, just add the ribbon on that way. But I think these are a great idea, and you'll be able to recycle them, no problems. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more, I will put my my blog is craftingforeveryone.blogspot.com, and my email address is whiteflitton@gmail.com. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And watch out for more videos coming soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.